Alright, we're going to reassemble this switch. This little blue thing would be for the bright lights. We'll put it right in there. Then the next one I found was easiest is the switch. You want that red one. The red icon there is going to face that way. And you want to try to get that, put that in the middle. The ball bearing's got to sit there. So you want to put that there. And then be careful you don't drop your ball bearing. And it goes down in there like that. I'll try to zoom it in so you can see. The ball bearing goes in there. Now you have two springs. We'll set this aside for a minute and show you. You have two different springs. One is taller than the other. I'm going to set them down to the side just and so you can see. You want the longer one, which would be this one. At this point, you're going to take it and set it down that hole. And it's, you can see it's pretty high. Hopefully I didn't drop my ball bearing there. Nope, it's still in there. Drop that spring in there like that. You want two of these connectors. They go on top of that spring. Side by side. Trying to not make this video too long here.
And photos.
Well, come on. There we go. Just like that. And then you want to just leave that right there like that. And then this one, you want to make sure them pieces in there and you can push them down like that. You want to be able to have, they should spring down and spring back up. And then I'm a step ahead of myself here. The next one you want to put in is the yellow switch, which would go right here. Let me zoom down a little bit there so you can see. With this one, you have a real big spring. It goes right there. Only spring you have in that area. And it goes here like this. You want to make sure that spring is straight. And then you take that other little bitty spring and you put it in this hole.